I am going to provide information on how to fill your enumeration form for the special intensive revision. Firstly, look at part 1. Your details are already pre-printed in this section. Your name, epic number, address, assembly constituency and your old photograph have been printed. Additionally, the name and mobile number of your booth level officers also printed. If your printed photograph is outdated or not clear, you need to provide a new clear photograph. However, if the old photograph is fine, you can proceed without providing a new one. In part 2, you need to record the details of your previous SIR, which is 2002 voter list. Here you have two options. Option 1, if your name was registered in 2002 list, you need to fill your details from 2002 voter list. This is called self-mapping. Option 2, if your name was not registered in 2002, you need to provide 2002 voters list details of your father, mother, grandfather or grandmother. This is called progeny mapping. The details of 2002 voter list will be available with the booth level officer and also available on websites of Chief Electoral Officer, that is ceo.karnataka.gov.in, and the Election Commission of India, voters.eci.gov.in and ECInet application. In part 3, you need to enter your current details. Please note that you must mandatorily enter your date of birth here. However, entering your Aadhaar and mobile number is optional. Along with that, you need to provide the name of the family member. This could be the name of your father, guardian, mother, or if married, the name of your spouse. If you have their epic number, you can enter that as well. Double check to ensure all your entries are correct. And after reading all three declarations provided below, sign the form or provide your left thumb impression. In your absence, any adult member of your family can sign on your behalf by mentioning their relationship with you. After signing, hand over the form to your BLO. The BLO will then sign the form themselves. They will keep one copy for official records and return the other copy to you. Please keep this returned copy safely as it serves as your official acknowledgement. Please note, there is no need to provide any documents along with the enumeration